AI myths busted. What's real and what's hype? AI is everywhere these days. It writes, it talks, it even creates art. But with all the excitement comes a lot of confusion. That's why in this video, we're going to bust some of the biggest myths about artificial intelligence, so you'll know exactly what's real and what's just hype. Let's start with myth number 1. AI is going to replace all human jobs. You've probably heard people say, AI is coming for your career. It's true that AI can automate tasks like writing emails, crunching numbers, or generating reports. But here's the reality. AI doesn't replace entire jobs, it replaces parts of jobs. Think of it like when calculators were first introduced. People thought accountants and cashiers would disappear. But instead, those jobs evolved. Accountants still exist, but they spend less time doing math by hand and more time analyzing big-picture financial strategies. What's happening today is the same. AI is changing the way we work, not erasing work altogether. New jobs are emerging. AI trainers who fine-tune models, prompt engineers who design inputs for better results, and AI content managers who oversee workflows. In fact, studies show that most jobs will adapt to use AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement. The real winners will be the people who learn how to use these tools effectively. Myth number 2. AI thinks and feels like a human. This is one of the biggest misconceptions. Movies and TV shows often portray AI as if it has emotions, creativity, or even desires. But the truth? AI doesn't have consciousness. It doesn't want anything, and it doesn't understand things the way humans do. When an AI writes a poem, paints an image, or composes music, it's not because it has a spark of imagination. It's because it's been trained on massive amounts of data and is predicting the next word, note, or pixel that makes sense. Think of it this way. AI is more like a mirror than a mind. It reflects back patterns it has learned from humans, without actually experiencing them. So while AI can mimic creativity, the inspiration, the true spark, still comes from us. Myth number 3. AI is always correct. If you've ever used AI to answer a question, you might have noticed it can sound very confident, even when it's completely wrong. That's because AI is designed to be convincing, not perfect. For example, an AI might confidently tell you that a historical event happened in 1823 when the actual date was 1832. This is called a hallucination, and it's one of AI's biggest flaws. This is why human oversight is so important. AI can be a fantastic assistant, but you still need to double-check its work. Think of it like a very eager intern. It can do a lot quickly, but it still needs supervision. The best practice? Always fact-check AI outputs before making decisions. Myth number 4. You need to be a tech genius to use AI. Not long ago, AI tools were locked behind complicated coding skills and advanced math. But today, anyone can use AI. Many of the most powerful AI apps are as simple as typing a question into a chat box. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't even need to know how the tech works under the hood. For example, teachers are using AI to create lesson plans. Marketers are using it to generate ad copy, and small business owners are automating customer support. All without writing a single line of code. If you can describe what you want in plain English, you can start using AI today. Myth number 5. AI is dangerous by default. This one is tricky because the media loves to highlight scary scenarios. Yes, AI can be misused for deepfakes, misinformation, or even cyber attacks. But it's important to remember that AI itself isn't inherently dangerous. It's how people use it that matters. Think about electricity. It powers our homes, lights our cities, and charges our phones. But it can also be dangerous if misused. The same is true for AI. It can accelerate medical research, make education more accessible, and help businesses grow. The key is responsible use, with the right rules and safeguards in place. Myth number 6. AI is only for big corporations. It might seem like AI is just something giant tech companies use, but that's no longer true. Small businesses, freelancers, and even solo entrepreneurs are using AI every day. A small bakery can use AI to predict sales trends and reduce waste. A solo content creator can use AI tools to edit videos, design graphics, and schedule posts in minutes. The playing field is leveling, and AI is putting powerful tools into the hands of everyday people. Myth number 7. AI is just a passing trend. Some people believe AI is just another tech buzzword that will fade away. But the reality is, AI is here to stay. It's not like fads that come and go. It's more like the internet or smartphones. At first, only a few people understood the impact, but over time, it became a part of everyday life. In the same way, AI is going to be integrated into nearly every industry. Ignoring it now is like ignoring the internet in the 1990s. So, what's the reality? AI is not magic, and it's not a monster. It's a tool, a powerful one, that can transform our lives if we use it wisely. By cutting through the hype, we can focus on what really matters, learning how to work with AI, not fearing it. Here's the big takeaway. The more you understand AI, the more opportunities you'll have. Instead of worrying about myths, start experimenting with AI in your own life. Use it to save time, boost your creativity, and maybe even discover new career opportunities. If you enjoyed this breakdown of AI myths, check out my other videos in this series, where we explore the best AI tools, side hustles, and even how to automate your own AI-powered business. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part. Because the future isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans plus AI. And that's where the magic really happens.